People who woke up mid-surgery, what happened? My surgical team purposefully woke me up during jaw surgery. They put me under, and the next thing I know, I'm being told to open my eyes. I eventually managed to open them, at which point they cover my eyes with a towel and continue with the surgery. I couldn't feel pain, but I could feel the pressure and hear the cracking of bone reverberating through my skull. I also clearly remember feeling warm liquid running down my face and wondering if it was blood. I silently cried the entire time. Eventually, they finish up and take me to recovery. One of the nurses comes in and says, "And I thought you were a nice girl." Unable to talk, I look at her with confusion and grunt. "You don't remember?" she asks. She gets all excited and pulls in another nurse to tell me the story. Apparently, when they started the surgery, my subconscious took offense. I broke the restraining equipment, ripped out IVs, injured a nurse, tried my best to decapitate the doctor with the broken equipment, and was screaming at the top of my lungs for them to let me go. I remember none of this. As far as I am concerned, I was asleep.